Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is the Tuesday edition of Rasaji Speaks. Hope you rested well. Today's title is called The Power of Intention, How to Use Tai Chi Intentionally for Healing. I want you to, a lot of people refer to karma yoga as action yoga. In other words, for years, karma yoga was taught to dedicate, no matter what form of action that we did, that while we were doing it, we were in communion with the Heavenly Father. Labor of love, you've heard this statement, a labor of love. Does that mean a woman in labor? Does that mean somebody working labor? In other words, everything you did, there was this constant reminder of, this is why you saw a lot of people in India and Nepal during the reign of karma yoga wearing marlin garlands and bracelets, constantly reminding them that no matter what they did, whether they were home in meditation or prayer, or they were working in the fields, they were constantly in communion with the divine. That's karma yoga. But yoga with specific intention to do a thing to get the power, that is referred to as more like Kriya yoga. And the Kriya yoga of this age is Tai Chi Gung. Tai Chi Gung, right? Grand, ultimate, intrinsic life force manifesting itself in some holy temple. Could be our body, could be the special structure of a building. Jesus says, you tear down this temple in 3 days, I'm going to raise it up. Well, in the beginning, they all thought he was just talking about a building. But before the building in Jerusalem was even partially destroyed, his physical body was destroyed. But then on the third day, he rose that body up again. So obviously, he wasn't just talking about that. Several years later, part of the Jewish temple and the ruins of the temple fell down, and they began to rebuild it over time. Specific intention. When we're doing the exercises of Tai Chi Gung, especially the first 4 that are with our free membership, if you decide that you want to do the 45-day renewal, you can go to circleofchi.com. If someone gave you their link, of course, respect that and give them use that link to go there and then sign up. It takes 5 minutes to sign up. Very basic information. It's like creating a Facebook profile, and it's even easier than that. And then you get this 6 days a week. Latest Truth, the Light of Truth from the Lama Series weekly. Download Lama G's first book, 108 pages, just like the Mala Garlands. And start the 45-day renewal to learn what column exercises, mirror meditation, and you're on your way. And maybe you're like a friend of mine in England that joined us 2 years ago and smoked for 50 years. And then 6 months into training, he stopped smoking. Or that we have a medical doctor who's with us today that after 9 to 12 months of practice, lost 80 pounds. A doctor. And all she changed was doing Tai Chi Gung and what we do in the 45-day renewal. Might be something you want to consider. I would call that a healing, would you not? A balance, a transformation. But we have teachers today, over 50 teachers in 50 different cities around the globe today. And in several years, we'll have 500, then we'll have 5,000. And when we do, this world will never be the same. That's how we change this place and get it back to this, right? Get it back to this. Pacific intention. Kriya Yoga. Tai Chi Gung is the Kriya Yoga of this age. We should know because the Kriya Yoga masters, our original masters, are behind the teachings of Tai Chi Gung, and they both are with you today. It's kind of interesting when you think about it. A new rodeo with new intentions and Shaktipat, that transference of energy from one to another. It's really powerful when you think about it, yes? Barak Bashad. May the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. Namaste. See you tomorrow. God bless you.